We are very excited that during the past few months we have managed to put together two strategic and highly transformative transactions for the partnership, as we have agreed to acquire in total 6 latest generation LNG carriers with long-term employment in place, exceeding $1.2 billion in value. The first 2 LNG carriers joined our fleet in early September, and we expect the remaining 4 to be delivered within the fourth quarter of 2021. Underpinning this transaction, and in particular the acquisition of 3 additional LNG carriers to those announced earlier this year, was the highly successful issuance of a €150 million, or approximately $173 million, senior unsecured bond on the Athens Exchange with a fixed coupon of 2.65% and a 5-year tenor. We are very pleased that we are able to execute against our plan of reducing the partnership's environmental footprint with the acquisition of these 6 latest generation energy-efficient LNG carriers in a very short time. The vessels are already compliant with IMO 2030 requirements, while they provide the lowest environmental footprint in LNG transportation. During the third quarter of 2021, we saw a continuation of the trend that started during the second quarter, with gas majors and energy companies securing shipping under medium to long-term contracts. The high LNG prices, as well as the relative pricing between different geographical regions, has been increasingly favorable for LNG shipping. With Europe-Far East arbitrage being sporadically open during the third quarter, most cargoes flowed primarily to the European market. As LNG prices in the Far East increase, we expect LNG shipping demand to increase further as more cargoes are transported across longer distances. Currently, the 1-year charter for 174,000 cubic 2-stroke LNG carriers is above $120,000 per day, increasing the spread with the previous generation of TFT vessels to almost $40,000 per day. We believe that in view of the positive long-term fundamentals of the LNG market and the upward pressure in values and charter rates, it was a unique opportunity to grow in this segment in scale with great assets and good charters.